Hello all, today's topic is on which came first, chicken or the egg. From the very small age we might have come across this question. Arguments be like chicken comes from egg comes from chicken, then which is first? Then, even after going to school and learning science and analyzing that, many people scratched their head as they didn't got the answer. Still, many people don't know which is first, chicken or egg. It's better to say that the question itself is not that perfect. Watch the video till end to know why did I say the question is not clear. Okay, I'll start. Earth was formed around before 4.5 billion years ago. In that, life was formed before 3.5 billion years ago. Initially, unicellular organisms like amoeba, bacteria formed later on by evolving. The main reason for evolution is natural selection. It is a very important main factor in evolution. Okay, very important factor in evolution. Then multicellular organism formed like fungi, plant and animals like us. Egg-laying animals are formed before 320 million years ago, and the one thing keep in your mind, chicken is not the first animal to lay egg. Many animals laid egg before chicken. And if you ask me where was the first egg formed, answer is aquatic animals were reproducing by laying eggs. Those eggs were different in shape compared to chicken eggs. Animals were producing their respected eggs as they wish, which is suitable in that environment. It was like egg was surrounded by thick jelly-like fluid. It was surrounded by thick jelly-like fluid. Okay. By the way, by evolving, aquatic animals came to land, right? Even the overall structure of the egg also changed. Animals like amphibian, which came from water body to survive in land, even the morphology of the egg also got evolved. While evolving, even the egg was also changed. Then, figure of chicken egg was like this. Figure of the egg was different in water, land, then bird's egg was also different. Respected animals produce their respected eggs how they wants to or wish to. By evolving, shape of the egg also changed, right? Why does this happen? Because if that animal finds this shape or morphology is not right for survival. Now, for example, if an animal lays 100 eggs, only 10 to 20 eggs were remaining. Rest of the eggs were missing by rolling and moving somewhere and even eaten by predators. These were all the complaints. So the nature decided to carry the offspring in the womb of mother instead of laying eggs. Now, one thing you need to notice, have you ever thought why the chicken shape is like this? Before this, eggs were round in shape. Round shape like balls will roll easily and it was missing. These were all the complaints how it was missing. Figure of the egg also evolved to this shape. Even suppose if you roll, the egg will move in a circular path and comes to the initial position. That's why the chicken egg is in this shape. See how beautiful is our nature selection is. Store all these points in your brain place. Now I am gonna explain what is genetic mutation. This is nothing but the variation or some sort of change in the DNA of one generation to next generation. We can even say that the change or deletion of information or addition of information in DNA compared to the original one. We call that as genetic mutation. That's addition or deletion of information in the DNA compared to the original one. Okay, like how when father's DNA and mother's DNA mix and becomes child's DNA, in that time there will be small change or variation in DNA. That tiny small change in a DNA for a long time looks like a big change. Like how the bacteria evolved to multicellular organisms like us. For this process it took nearly more than 3 billion years. Reason for this is small change in the DNA, that is genetic mutation for a long time resulted in a big change. That's why now we looks like this. Like how organisms are suitable for nature, in that manner the mutation occurs. Okay, one more thing is 66 million years ago we call that period as dinosaur age. This is dinosaur group called theropod. From that group there is a dinosaur called T-Rex. From that dinosaur chicken like birds evolved from. At present all chicken like birds were evolved from T-Rex dinosaurs. The body shape or morphology of T-Rex are very similar to the chicken like birds, like neck, legs, few structures are similar to T-Rex. Okay, now the question is, which came first, chicken or the egg? After listening this much, if you understood those, you will understand this. For the question which you have in your mind, that chicken or egg which came first, you should listen this much, otherwise you won't understand. This is a very basic knowledge to know. Straightforward answer is chicken, not egg came first, because chicken is not first animal to produce egg. Even the aquatic animals were producing eggs, so this is a straightforward answer, egg came first. Okay, like how birds were evolved from dinosaur, in that the chicken is just an animal in between that. Okay. At present in chicken egg there is a special protein called OC17. Before chicken there must be some mother chicken, right? Like for example chicken must have come from some other bigger chicken, right? There will be no OC17 protein in the egg produced by the mother chicken. From the egg produced by the mother chicken, the new chicken came. While this process was happening due to some genetic mutation, the new chicken somehow got the power of producing OC17 protein for upcoming generations egg. From hereafter, there will be OC17 protein in the egg produced by the new chicken, and continues this process hereafter. Okay. Instead of that, the question should be like this: chicken first or the chicken egg came first? Answer for this question is chicken came first. Initially the chicken egg came from chicken, but the chicken came from another chicken like animal's egg. I explained this in basic level. I didn't use it much scientific words. This video is made for all the age category. You need to share the video maximum. After watching this video, please mention in the comment that if you have cleared your doubt or confused more than before, and subscribe my channel and like my video. Why you have to subscribe? Because my upcoming videos will be on evolution. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.